English chapter reading. A giant in the ocean. Who are the giants of oceans? Perhaps your attention goes towards the whales, especially blue whales. If so, then you are absolutely right. Whales are the biggest animal on the earth. After whales, it is the shark, who is considered as the giant of the oceans. Over the years, lots of information has been gathered about sharks, yet a good deal of them is unknown to the scientists or researchers. Only a little data is available about their size, lifespan, offsprings, and behavior. We do not know why do sharks attack on human beings. Do they kill or eat human beings or just bite and split out a half-dead victim? These are the questions that are asked frequently. For centuries, it was believed that sharks ate people, especially swimmers, divers, etc., by choice. Now, it is believed that the previous belief was a myth. Almost all the attacks are accidental. They attack human beings as their normal prey, like any fish. Earlier, it was believed that if a shark gets smell or sees the blood, it launched a massive attack, leaving the victims dead. But this claim has also been proved wrong. Rather, it has been found that almost 75% of shark bite victims survive. After attacking or biting, perhaps they sense that these animals are not suitable food for them. Modern studies have revealed that sharks are not villains but victims. The merciless killing of sharks for centuries has dragged them to the edge of extinction. Today, their number has been declined around the hundreds only. The so-called killers have been killed for the greed. Until recent time, there has been no public hue and cry to save the surviving sharks what we had for whales. Unlike whales and dolphins, sharks are not cute. They do not nurse their young ones and do not appear to the surface of water to talk to others. It has been experienced that many a time dolphins swim near a swimmer or warn them or her about the coming danger from the shark. Dolphins and whales are mammals. Hence, they need to come above the water at regular intervals to breathe in oxygen. This helps to keep an eye on them. Therefore, we have better knowledge about whales and dolphins than that of sharks. Nowadays, researchers as well as common people are taking interest about sharks. Now, killing of sharks has been banned by law. Great white sharks are the biggest predators in the oceans. They have only a few natural enemies and they are immune to almost all the known diseases in the world. Though we are afraid of its size and sharp teeth, an old saying tells that a swimmer has a great chance of being struck by lightning than being killed by a shark. All over the world, many more people die of snake bites, falling off ladders, crossing roads, being attacked by tigers than from shark attack. So we should not kill sharks out of fear only. Thank you.